Hey everybody, it's Derek with Windows Central. We are at Computex 2018, where ASUS has just unveiled the brand new Zenbook S. This is a great little laptop, and it's designed to be extra light and extra portable and extra thin. Just look at how thin this is when it's closed. It is 2.9 millimeters thick when closed. That's thinner than Apple's MacBook. It's also lighter than the Dell XPS 13. So this is a thin and light laptop. That doesn't mean it's not a powerful one. It sports a 4K UHD Nano Edge display. It's powered by 8th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 processors, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, a terabyte of PCIe storage, and it can run up to 13.5 hours on a single charge. Now, one of the innovations that ASUS has built into this laptop is actually in the hinge. They've built what they call an ergo lift hinge. When you open up the laptop, it actually brings the back side of the laptop down underneath to serve as a lift for the laptop. So it lifts it up about 5.5 degrees off the table that you're working on. That gives it better ventilation and also a better, more ergonomic angle for typing and working. When it comes to ports, there are just a handful on this because it is so thin. You're not going to find any of the traditional big USB-A ports. There's a single USB-C port on this side, and on the other side you'll find a pair of USB-C Thunderbolt ports and a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. That's it as far as ports are concerned. This is a laptop that's more built for the future of computing and connections than, plugging in with old connections like HDMI and Ethernet. So the ASUS Zenbook S is actually available starting this June 2018, so you'll be able to pick it up very soon for a starting price of $1,299. That's a great price for what looks like a really great laptop. It's available in both this beautiful burgundy red finish and in a dark blue they call Deep Dive Blue. It's both really beautiful finishes, with ASUS's distinct and signature radial pattern. So that's the ASUS Zenbook S. We're looking forward to spending more time with this beautiful laptop. You can check out more from Windows Central at Computex here on YouTube and on WindowsCentral.com. Thanks for watching.